Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Joshua Weissman's chocolate chip cookies. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality. Browning your butter is a crucial step that adds incredible depth and a nutty aroma. Remember to chill your dough for a full 24 hours. This develops the flavors beautifully and improves texture. This method truly elevates the classic cookie experience. Beyond the basics, Weissman's method includes toasting your flour, which brings out a richer, more complex taste. He also recommends a specific blend of bread flour and all-purpose flour to achieve that perfect chewy texture. Don't forget to use high-quality chocolate discs or chunks. They create those irresistible melty pockets in every bite. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And on another note, staying hydrated in the kitchen is key, especially when you're baking up a storm. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your drinks cold. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. When it's time to bake, ensure your oven is at the precise temperature for even browning and a consistent cook. Immediately after they come out, a sprinkle of flaky sea salt enhances the flavor and balances the sweetness. Finally, let your cookies rest for at least 15 minutes. This allows them to set properly and develop their full texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.